What is up, ladies and gents, welcome to my channel. In this short tutorial I will show you how to earn high interest on your uninvested money. For this method we are gonna be using a friendly mobile application called the Lightyear app. I've been using Lightyear for over 5 months now and I'm very satisfied with it. Let's get started. In the App Store or Google Store you will need to search for the Lightyear application. This is the one right here. After downloading it, you will need to register and verify your identity. It's not that difficult and you are ready to go. This is the surface of the application. You can use it to invest in stocks or index funds as well. And if you go to the wallet section, you can see the interest rates up here. They are currently paying 4.5% for US dollars, and for British pounds they are paying 3.25% on euros, 8% on Hungarian forints, which I don't really recommend to keep your money in this currency. If we look at the long-term chart of how it relates to euro, you can see that it goes to almost zero over time. And if we check the interest rate, for example US dollar, you can see that the federal funds rate is around 5.2%, and they are very transparent with their fee structure. They will take their fee and you will get your interest rate calculated afterwards. As you can see, I have around 1100 US dollars on the account right now and I already earned 29 US dollars. It's important to know that they pay out the interest rate every month, the first year of every month, so you won't get paid every day. As you can see, I got paid interest last month, also USD and also Hungarian forints. And for this you don't need to lock up your funds or subscribe for any plan. You can withdraw the funds anytime and use them freely. It's important to know that these rates can change quickly from one month to the other. You will get an email about the interest rate change, which looks like this, and they will change it in a couple of days. It is quite easy to deposit money to this account. You just go to add money and you can use your credit card or use bank transfer, or you can send money from Revolut or TransferWise, for example. And withdrawing money is also fluent as well. You just need to add your bank account and they don't charge anything for the withdrawal. I tried out their withdrawal methods for different currencies and they were almost instant to my bank account or Wise account, so no issues on this side. And with the Lightyear app your money is safe. You get covered by their insurance for up to 20,000 euros. So if anything happens with this app or it's bankrupt, your money is safe with the banks behind the app. And if you want to invest in stocks or index funds, let's see how it works. You go to this window and search for your stock or ETF. They have the popular low-cost Vanguard S&P 500 index. They have it in different versions, as you can see, for other currencies like pounds and US dollars as well. So it's pretty user-friendly, and also you can see the stocks here and you see analytics and metrics as well. You can read the news as well regarding that particular stock. So that was my quick tutorial on how to get high interest on your uninvested money. Please make your own due diligence when it comes to handling your money. It's just my experience and what I did in the past couple of months. It worked well for me. Let's put your money into work for you. Thanks for checking in today. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for my channel. See you guys next time for another tutorial.